Hi friends, welcome to Ushbi TV. Today I am doing a video which will be useful for teachers, students, parents and those who work in especially in educational sectors and those who are doing video conference and etc. So before watching the video, if you didn't subscribe the channel, you can subscribe it and click the bell icon. Then only you will get the notifications of my other videos. Now this is the time of hybrid learning and blended teaching. And especially when the teachers are teaching. Now the face-to-face students will be there, online students will be there. So a lot of teachers are facing a lot of problems and even students also. So today I am bringing a solution for that. Another unboxing video. So today I am introducing three things for you. One, it is earphone. This earphone, not only an earphone but a speaker also. Another one, it's a full HD video camera. Not only it is noise reduction mic also is there along with it. Another one, it's a smart pen. Okay, so let's check that whatever things are. Yes, one auxiliary cable is along with it. Pseudo earphone. The specialty of this one, we can use it like that, and on the same time we can use it as a speaker also. So especially when the teachers are taking the classes, face-to-face children will be there, and means 100% face-to-face children will be. Along with that, hybrid children also will be there, because those who selected hybrid learning, because half of them will be in the class, because most of the class there will not be capacity for the all students. So some students will be face-to-face children and some students will be online children. So most of the teachers will be taking class via Zoom or Microsoft Teams like that. So students are like I will be asking a lot of questions. That is why APJ Abdul Kalam told, child is the first scientist. So means a lot of questions will be there for us. Maybe sometimes we will not hear, because whenever we are focusing on the face-to-face children, maybe we will not hear to the online children. So by the time if you are using the earphone, so it will be a solution for that one, and we can hear them. And on the same time, so whenever we are to hear their speaking, so just turn this one like this. So we can use a speaker also. So let's check how it is work out. Okay, this is a Bluetooth earphone, and same time we can use this as a normal earphone also. Why? Because auxiliary cable is there. We can connect this with our laptop. And there is one connector for charging. Okay, so for charging it is any Android device we can use for this one. So I will connect with the laptop and I will check how it works out. Switch on here. So one light will be flashing. Same time, if you want, you can use as FM also. FM also available. So 1 minute, let me take my laptop and I will check it. So as I told, I have already switched on the Bluetooth speaker. Then I will connect with this Bluetooth. Yes, now it's connected. Now we will watch any video. Let me check. But I will take any video in my channel only. Otherwise I will get the copyright if I am playing any other music. Yes. Yeah, good sound. Now we are turning this one to the same. We can use as a speaker also. Very good sound. At the same time turning. Okay, very nice sound. So in the same time we can use it for both. So this is working. And at the same time we can connect. I will connect this one and I will check it. Now I will switch off the Bluetooth. Yes. So we can use it as a board. So it is super pakka working. If you want to charge in between, we can put this as a charger. Cable is along with this one. Okay, connect it here. Connect it here and plug it down, plug in. So on the spot here you can see yeah, one red color will be blinking here. So both. So this will be very useful for especially those who are working in education sectors and parents and teachers, and not only each and everyone, and especially those who are doing webinars, okay, and video conference. So it is useful, and not only it is very easy for folding and keeping here. And the other one, it is a webcam, because especially whenever you are using, in every laptop there will be camera will be there, but better we can use an extra webcam, especially for video conference and all. Okay, see, so this is that one, webcam. It is ProMate camera. It is very good, full HD camera it is, and as well as we can use as a microphone also. Okay, and here there is one tripod, a small tripod they have given along with this one tripod is we can use as a tripod also, because if we want to fix camera here in front of us, otherwise we can fix on laptop itself. Okay, we can fix a laptop, otherwise we can keep it here, then here just to proceed. Keep on this and keep it like this. This much we can make it. Yes, here we can keep it, and laptop we can keep in front of us, then connect it in the laptop. Okay, so let me check this also. No, let me check this also. Keep it here. Yes, then connect it here. Now, let me connect the zoom and check, okay, whether how it is working. Yes, it is very good, clarity is there. Now let me check the microphone sound. Okay, Hello. That is system. Okay. Hello. It is already computer's microphone. Okay. Now let me check other one. Hello. Yeah. Very nice. Super sound. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Okay. So the camera I will show you. Yes. Nice clarity, right? Yes. Another one, as I told, smart pen, because now in this pandemic situation, most of the time whenever we are going for work and all, we will use the gloves, right? So better while touching, or because in between we will type the things, but whenever we are hearing any classes, so we have to write the notes fast. So we will note down in the notes app, otherwise we will note down in our tabs, okay, etc, mobs and all. So better we can use this one, this pen. This is its charger, and open this one. This is for charging. Okay, connect it here. Then you can plug in anywhere and click it here to make it. Then right click. So let us test this also. Go to the notes. Yeah, okay, then let's check how it is coming. Yeah, it is working. TV. Okay, it's working. Nice. And we can save that also. So these are the things which I introduced today. I hope you have learned something from my video. So inshallah, if you didn't subscribe my channel, you can subscribe it. If you like the video, like it. And if you have any comments, you can tell in comment box. Okay, inshallah. See you with another video. Okay, bye.